Sorry, we got some production up here in Little Europe. Just off to our left-hand side, it looks like we got cameras rolling.
God, I'm so bored.
Well, how much longer can we do this?
I don't know. Can we just like sneak out somehow?
How? How can we get out of it? There's no way out of here.
Wait, there's a tram right there. I think
Wanna
we
get
should
on the tram? Let's get on the
Yeah,
tram.
yeah, let's get on the tram.
Like
Hi.
Wait, hold on. That is Oscar Nuñez and Chelsea Frei from the paper.
Can we get on?
Look at this.
What's up, you guys? We just happened to be here. This is actually my first time doing the tour.
She's never done this before.
He's done it a million times. Where are we going? What have you guys seen so far? Look at the clipboard. We're in Little Europe.
There's only one food that they make here. It's pizza.
Oh, you guys,
Look,
that's
you guys.
us.
We're gonna come down there and sit with these people.
What's your name?
You guys, Chelsea.
Brenton? You've seen 3 episodes of The Paper. Yes. Why haven't you finished it? We're gonna drive inside?
We are.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Oh
my God!
That wasn't supposed to happen,
That wasn't supposed to happen to us. Don't get it on Oscar's suit. It's very expensive.
For those of you from out of town, this is every third Tuesday in California. That happens in Rio. We're kind of used to it.
All right, where are we going next, Sam?
Next stop, Amity Island.
Does everybody know Amity Island? Yeah! Oh my God.
Wow. There's the fin. It just went down.
Where? No!
And next stop is Old Mexico.
Uh-oh, Little Mexico, and there's water.
I hear a rumble.
Brendan, that's all that's gonna
I
happen.
hear a rumble.
That's all that's gonna happen. That's all. Oh! Ay, Dios mío! I'm allowed to do that, Brendan. I am Latino. Ay, Dios mío!
Guys, thank you so much for letting us crash. How did we do? Fine? Fine?
That was so fun.
It's better than I did. And it's really scary.
So now we're gonna go see King Kong because you haven't seen King Kong.
I've got to see King Kong.
She has to see King Kong.
Okay, yeah, so fun. Great day.